In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop animation in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to make your animated designs play continuously, which is perfect for things like social media posts, screen displays, or simple motion graphics. First, go ahead and open your Canva project that already has some animation in it. This can be anything: a social post, a presentation slide, or even a video intro. Make sure you're on the page or design you want to loop, and that your elements are already animated the way you like. If not, you can quickly add animations by selecting an element and choosing an animation style from the toolbar. Now, let's talk about how looping works in Canva. Canva doesn't use a big loop button on the design itself. Instead, looping is controlled when you download or export your project as a video or GIF. So, what we're really doing is setting up the design, then choosing the right export settings so it looks like it loops smoothly. Once your animation looks good in the editor, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. From there, choose the Download option. You'll see different file types appear, such as MP4 video and GIF. If you want a continuous automatic loop, like for a website or a social media snippet, GIF is usually the best choice. GIFs are designed to loop by default in most browsers and apps. Select GIF as your file type. Before you download, double-check the pages and duration. If you want a seamless loop, keep the animation timing consistent and avoid long pauses at the beginning or end of your design. If your design is just one page, make sure that page is selected. If it's multiple pages, confirm that the order creates a smooth repeating cycle. Now click the Download button and wait for Canva to process your file. When it's done, open your downloaded GIF in a browser or image viewer. You should see your animation play continuously without needing to hit replay. That's your loop in action. If you prefer an MP4 video, export as an MP4 instead. Many platforms, like some social media feeds or media players, offer their own loop settings. In that case, upload your MP4 and turn on looping from within that platform. And that's it. You've set up a looping animation in Canva by preparing your animated design, exporting it properly, and using the right format so it plays over and over seamlessly.